Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you're looking to boost your website's visibility and get found by more customers, today I'm walking you through exactly how to increase your SEO on Squarespace 7.0. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to fine-tune your site so Google can rank you higher, helping you stand out in search results. Let's jump right in, starting with your site's basic SEO settings. Head to your Squarespace dashboard and look for Home, then Settings, and Website, followed by Basic Information. Here, you're going to refine your site title and your site description. The site title should be your business or brand name. Think of it like the sign hanging over a storefront. For the site description, don't just summarize your business. Weave in some of the keywords your audience is likely to search for. For example, if you're running a graphic design agency, your description could mention your specialty, like brand identity and web design. This is one of the first things Google looks at, so take your time and make each word count. Now, every individual page also needs its own SEO title and description. In the editor, open any page and click the little gear icon. This opens up the SEO tab. Create a clear, keyword-focused page title that lets people and Google know exactly what the page is about. Under the description box, write a concise summary, keeping it under 155 characters so it displays nicely in search. For example, for a logo design page, you might use Custom Logo Design Services, your studio, for the title, and Professional Brand Identity and Logo Design for small businesses in the US for the description. This step really helps each page stand on its own in search results. While we're setting up pages, let's make sure your URLs are clean and readable. Squarespace generates them automatically, but you can and should edit these for clarity. In your page settings, under the General tab, update your URL slug so it matches the page content. Instead of something unclear, like page 1, use something descriptive, like custom logo design. Keep it short, all lowercase, and use hyphens to separate words. No weird symbols or spaces. Not only does this look more professional, it helps with SEO as well. Next, let's talk headings, one area that's easy but often overlooked. Headings help Google understand the structure and importance of your content. In Squarespace text blocks, make sure you use just one H1 main title per page, and then H2s for key sections, think of these like chapters, and H3s for small subsections. For example, your H1 might be Logo Design Services, and your H2 could be Why Choose Our Branding Studio. Strategic headings make it easier for both viewers and search engines to navigate your site. Images deserve some attention too. Before you upload, rename your image files with keywords relevant to your content, like Logo Design Bloom Studio.jpg. This tiny detail helps search engines connect your visuals with your page content. When you add images, don't forget to add alt text by clicking the image, then design, and entering a description that's specific yet natural, such as minimalist black and gold logo for a fashion brand. It may seem small, but it's vital for both SEO and accessibility. And remember to compress large images, ideally under 500 KB, so your pages load faster. Internal and external links are next up. Linking between pages on your site, like encouraging visitors to learn more on our services page, helps users discover more and signals to Google that your site is easy to navigate. Linking out to authoritative sources also shows credibility. Both kinds of links improve your SEO, so sprinkle them thoughtfully throughout your pages. Submitting your site to Google Search Console is an essential step many skip. This tells Google you exist and helps your pages get indexed quickly. In Google Search Console, click Add Property, select Domain, and copy the TXT record. Then in Squarespace, under Settings, Domains, Advanced Settings, and DNS, add that record. After waiting a few hours, verify your site. When that's done, submit your sitemap, which Squarespace generates automatically at yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml. This process is key for speeding up your appearance in Google search results. Page speed can make or break your SEO. Optimized image sizes, minimal use of animations or large video files, and limited custom code all help your site load smoothly. Try testing your speed with Page Speed Insights, aiming for under 3 seconds. If it's slower, don't worry. Small tweaks over time can make a big difference. Keeping your site fresh is important too, so consider adding a blog. Even posting once or twice a month on relevant topics like top 5 logo design trends in 2025 or how to choose the right font for your brand can help you organically target new keywords and show you're an expert in your field. Aim for each blog post to have at least 500 to 1,000 words, and include both internal and external links, plus unique titles and descriptions for each post. Finally, don't forget to connect your site to Google Analytics. In Settings under Advanced, go to External Services and paste your measurement ID. Google Analytics tracks your page performance and helps you understand your visitors' behavior, allowing you to refine your SEO strategies over time. That's the full roadmap to boosting your Squarespace 7.0 site's SEO. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop any questions you have in the comments, and be sure to subscribe so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and good luck optimizing your site.